Welcome again, my dear students. We are going to continue chapter directing topic communication. I was already discussed about meaning, feature and process of communication. In this video, we will talk about objective of communication. Okay? Objective of communication. Let's start objective of communication. Okay. First one is to educate and train people. Okay. So business firm use various method of communication to educate worker and consumer. They issue order and instruction to employees so that they may perform their job efficiently. Consumers are provided information about the procedure and their uses. So training means training is for whom? Those who are fresher. If people and worker is skilled and unskilled, then skilled worker or people give training to unskilled through communication. So training is very important objective of communication. Okay. Now next one is to motivate employees. Communication seeks to make employees interested and their duties to in the company as a whole. Managers inspire workers to work hard towards the achievement of the organizational objectives. Good communication can mold employees' behavior and create cardinal industrial relation. It provides information and still such each employees a sense of pride in a job. It is reflected management's interest employees. So now how can motivate employees through communication? Through communication, motivation through communication, motivation supervisor try to analyze. Superior try to analyze the need of subordinates. If there is a smooth flow of information between the superior and subordinate, then for superior to recognize which type of incentive will motivate his subordinates. Okay. So motivation is very important for communication. Now next one is to promote managerial efficiency. Communication aims at improving the efficiency of management. Managers provide guidance to employee through communication. Through communication, managers provide guidance. एम्प्लॉइज़ को कोई गाइडेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कुछ बताना है, थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन ही मैनेजर जो है बताते हैं. ठीक है. अगर जितना अच्छा इफ़ेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन होगा उतना ही बेटर तरीके से एम्प्लॉई अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएँ, वर्कर अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएंगे, उतना ही इफ़ेक्टिव जो है उतनी इफिशेंसी बढ़ेगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज implement decision quickly. Effective communication is designed to implement decision quickly. Subordinate understand managerial decision and take steps and implement them through communication. So कम्युनिकेशन ऐसी टेक्निक से किया जाता है जिससे उसका इम्प्लीमेंट क्विकली हो सके, सबऑर्डिनेट क्विकली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें एंड एक्शन के लिए स्टेप्स इजीली एंड क्विकली ले सकें. ओके. नाउ Next one is facilitate leadership. The effective of leaders depend upon their communication skill. Personal communication helps managers maintaining the man-to-man relation. Means जितना बेटर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल होगी उतना ही बेटर लीडरशिप होगी. सपोज लीडर एक मैनेजर गाइड कर रहा है कुछ वर्कर्स को, बट वर्कर्स को मैनेजर की बात को अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं कर पा रहे, तो इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करेगा? तो इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं होगा. बट जो मैनेजर्स बात बता रहा है अपने वर्कर्स को, वो जो है इफ़ेक्टिव है, 100% समझ में आ रही है, अंडरस्टैंड कर पा रहे हैं वर्कर्स, देन उसको क्विकली जो है एक्शन में ले पाएंगे, क्विकली जो है फॉलो कर पाएंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज टू कैरी आउट चेंजेस. Free flow of ideas and information reduce workers resistant in new technology and other changes. It makes new ideas acceptable to people. Machinery adopt more quickly the changing circumstances. Generally workers changes को accept नहीं करते हैं, but free flow of ideas and informational definitely reduce workers resistant to new technology and other changes. Okay, next one is to create teamwork. Communication is designed to create mutual understanding and cooperation among the people worker are living together. It is a great binding force. So effective communication definitely create a mutual understanding and cooperation among the people. Okay, and next one is to secure feedback. Management can get valuable ideas and encouraging employees to react and respond suggestion and complaint from workers and consumers enable to managers to improve their method and procedure. So फीडबैक मीन्स पर्टिकुलर थिंग के बारे में बात आते हुए कि वो गुड है, बैड है, मैनेजर वर्कर को फीडबैक देते हैं इनकरेज करने के लिए, और वर्कर्स और कंज्यूमर मैनेजर्स को फीडबैक देते हैं, जिससे मैनेजर्स इम्प्रूव करते हैं अपने मेथड्स में या प्रोसीजर्स में. ओके.